Okay, so we're all done. Everything's tight. Notice how I took the wire back under the motor. There's a tie down this in there, but it's similar to that one there. We'll find one of them later. Well, let's see what we got. Yeah, we'll put some trunk struts on there too. Oh, got the upsy downsies. Okay, now that means we have to adjust. We're gonna have to adjust this lever. I can't do this while I hold the camera, so you're just gonna have to take my word for it. I'm gonna bend it up and closer to here with a pair of needle long nose pliers, up and toward this edge here, so that it'll stop the motor from recycling back up.